Hello friends, welcome, how are you? You know what, we already started like 6 in the morning. We're taking some other location today. It's a beautiful place. He already showed some fish. The friend is over there, you can see. We have a little bit problem with the camera, so we're gonna take the camera. So we have a little bit pieces missing there, so it doesn't work much, but probably he shoot it and he already recorded that fish out there. So he's coming now. We're gonna collect this stuff. So we have it already 3 on the record. Guys, I want to show the fish. There it is. But we're not done yet, so he's gonna go back into water. Thank you, my good friend. Go for it. Good luck. Hello friends, how are you? Look at this! Look at this! This is what I'm talking about now. It just come out. You can see the fish over there. Wow, what a beauty they are! They are the beauties! So here it is. The first fish are in. So I will take it out and then I will clean them and I'm gonna do something with them. Look at this, guys. What a beauty, huh? Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, there's also calamaris, black fish. That's beautiful. I will clean the fish and after I'm gonna fry them. One beautiful fish. Look at this. Wow, very beautiful. Like they're like my hand. Extra large. Hey guys, finally we are here for cooking our fish. Now it's starving. Believe it or not, I'm starving. I'm just gonna go for it. Now we're gonna turn the fish around. Let's see how it does cook. Oh yes, that cooked well. Chicken fish are in. The first one is cooked. I'm gonna try and tell how it is this one. Wow, that's gonna be nice. Okay, I want to try something here. The meaty part. Guys, this is amazing. This is so great, so beautiful. well worth it the wait. Wow, these are so good, guys. Oh, look at this. Wow. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. Thank you.